You know, honey, I didn't get a chance to stop and examine the body at the time, you know? Because the brother did a shoot after me.
Alright. I understand. We need to get a report from Whisper.
So, now it's obvious. So this boy have planted the bloody clothes in your car.
But why?
Good question. You know, maybe I can go ask him now at the morgue.
You see why sometimes it's better to keep them alive and not kill them? Because now him gone with valuable information.
Maybe not.
What you mean? Him tell you something?
Him not tell me nothing. But I got something from him.
What that?
Let me ask you a question. How well you think you really know Mullins?
Jesus. Raymond, please, we really do this again?
Me just ask you a question.
Raymond, just no matter.
Maybe you should answer. How well do you think you know me?
It's obvious I don't know you the way I think I should know you. Because you just get up and disappear without a word.
This required the utmost discretion.
And you are saying that I would not understand?
No. I think what he's saying, you know, is that you just couldn't handle it. Maybe just too dark.
Look, I'm fully aware that I have some explaining to do. But let's just take this in stages.
Some explaining.
Pops, what really are going?
Well, let's start with why I had to go into deep sleep. It had to do with my son, as I guess you must have suspected.
See there? What will you tell us, Angie? Me know so something did that something that man. Me not tell us a DNA test him gonna do. In the case of Mullins versus Mullins, it has been determined, Mr. Mullins, you are not the father. Bum, 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 bum.
If police work fail you, and it just might, you should take up stand-up comedy. But remember, them a box them these days.
You can say anything you want, you know, but the joke is on you.
Is that what you think?
I'm past thinking long time, brother.
Well, go on, hug it out.
Hello. This is not going to happen today. Me need answers. So you see that testosterone flex here? It will stop.
I had a very important ops to go on. My son was taken. My son was taken.
But didn't know say something did wrong, you know. Taken by who?
Tony.
Huh? Who is Tony?
Hospital over there.
No, ask me. And not me if you ask. Ask him. That you're a friend.
Look here, wanna stop. Who is Tony?
Well, Tony is an old associate. Well, young, but old.
Pops.
Forget fairy tales. Tony was a member of the team back in the day. He later became Martin's partner. You remember the name there? Martin, the one who do the backstroke.
Him should remember. You say you did meet your wife?